The Christmas cactus, scientifically known as Schlumbergera bridgesii, is a captivating and popular houseplant adored for its vibrant and unique appearance. Originating from the tropical rainforests of Brazil, these stunning plants have become a cherished addition to households around the world, especially during the festive season. With their striking blooms and relatively easy care requirements, Christmas cacti have garnered a reputation for being both beautiful and rewarding for plant enthusiasts. The Christmas cactus belongs to the family Cactaceae and is characterized by its segmented stems that form a cascading or arching growth habit. Unlike traditional cacti that thrive in arid conditions, these plants are epiphytic and naturally grow on trees or rocks, deriving their moisture and nutrients from the air and debris around them. Their flattened, leaf-like stem segments are comprised of chlorophyll-rich tissues that aid in photosynthesis. The discovery of the Christmas cactus dates back to the early 1800s when European explorers first encountered these plants in the Brazilian rainforests. In the late 1800s, a French botanist named Charles Lemaire introduced the plant to Europe, where it garnered attention for its spectacular floral display. Over time, breeders have developed various cultivars with different flower colors, shapes, and sizes, expanding the range of choices for enthusiasts. Today, Christmas cacti are widely available in garden centers and nurseries, attracting attention during the holiday season due to their festive blooms. One of the most striking features of the Christmas cactus is its captivating flowers that bloom around the holiday season, typically from late fall to early winter. The flowers, which can be pink, red, white, or various shades in between, are often tubular and possess delicate, curved petals that create a mesmerizing display. These blooms can last for several weeks, adding a cheerful and colorful ambience to any indoor space. Apart from their blooms, the segmented stems of the Christmas cactus are a notable characteristic. These segments, known as cladodes or folliculates, provide an interesting visual appeal and contribute to the plant's uniqueness. Each segment has serrated edges and contains dormant buds that give rise to new growth, enabling the plant to propagate and expand its form. The appeal of the Christmas cactus extends beyond its aesthetics to its relatively low-maintenance care requirements. Proper care ensures healthy growth and abundant flowering, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. These plants prefer bright, indirect light but can tolerate some direct sunlight, especially during the morning hours. Placing them near an east-facing window or providing filtered sunlight ensures optimal growth without risking sunburn on the leaves. Maintaining a moderate temperature between 60 to 70 during the day and slightly cooler temperatures at night encourages flowering. Moreover, adequate humidity levels are beneficial. Placing a tray of water and pebbles beneath the plant or using a humidifier can create a suitable environment, especially in dry indoor conditions. Proper watering is crucial for Christmas cacti. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering may cause the plant to wilt and affect flower production. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering, ensuring thorough but not excessive moisture. A well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for cacti, or a blend of peat moss, perlite, and sand is ideal. Repotting is typically done every 2 to 3 years to refresh the soil and provide room for growth. During the growing season from spring to early fall, applying a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once a month helps promote healthy growth and flower production. Reduce feeding during fall and winter when the plant enters a resting phase. Propagation of Christmas cacti is relatively straightforward and can be done through several methods. Taking stem cuttings of about 3 to 4 segments in length and allowing them to dry for a few hours before planting in a well-draining potting mix can result in new plants. Keep the soil lightly moist until roots develop. Separating segments from the main plant and planting them in individual pots with appropriate soil mixtures is another successful propagation method. Despite their relatively easy care, Christmas cacti may encounter certain issues. Sudden changes in light, temperature, or inconsistent watering can lead to bud drop or hinder flowering. Maintaining stable conditions and avoiding drastic changes can help prevent this issue. Overwatering or poor drainage can cause root rot. To prevent this, ensure the pot has drainage holes and avoid leaving the plant in standing water. Occasional pests such as spider mites or mealybugs may affect Christmas cacti. Regularly inspecting the plant and using natural remedies or insecticidal soap can help control infestations. Beyond being a beloved houseplant, the Christmas cactus carries symbolic meanings in various cultures. Its association with the holiday season and its vibrant blooms have made it a popular gift during Christmas, symbolizing love, friendship, and enduring beauty. The Christmas cactus stands as a testament to nature's beauty and adaptability. Its stunning blooms, unique growth habits, and relatively undemanding care requirements have solidified its place as a cherished houseplant, especially during the festive season. Whether adorning a tabletop, hanging gracefully from a basket, or thriving on a windowsill, the Christmas cactus continues to captivate hearts and add a touch of vibrant color to homes around the world.
Join our plant-loving community and never miss out on valuable tips like these. Let's grow together. Subscribe now.